Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. We are on the second part of starting your online business or starting your reselling business. So if hindi nyo pa nakita yung first video natin, you may watch it here. I will also be linking it in the description box below. By the way, if bago pa lang kayo dito sa ating channel, my name is Val and I am a mompreneur. I'm sharing here my personal journey in starting my online business. In this channel, I'm talking about creative ways how to do business, online business, and of course, negosyo tips. So if those are topic na hinahanap nyo, you can go ahead and click the subscribe button para you can get an updates with my newest video. Now for our video for today, it's going to be the part 2 on how you can start your online business or reselling business. With our part 2, this is the part where you will be starting to sell your product. Now that I've completed the testing part or looking for the right product na gusto kong ibenta online, I will be moving forward to how I can sell it. Now, selling the product, guys, we will start with looking for a supplier. Now, looking for the supplier, I'm recommending na 3 supplier dapat na ibabak or hahanapin ninyo. First supplier will be your main supplier and the rest will be your substitute. Just in case hindi magiging available si supplier 1, at least meron pa kayong supplier 2 and supplier 3. Sa previous videos ko, I always talk about having a backup supplier kasi sila yung magiging takbuhan just in case si supplier 1 hindi magiging available. Now, sa 3 supplier na yan, guys, is rare nyo makikita na pare-pareho lang yung mga rates nila. But to max out with your supplier rate, doon kayo magbe-base sa pinakamahal ninyo na supplier. So let's say for example, yung damit na binabenta ninyo sa main supplier nyo is 220 ang kuha ninyo, then the other one is 210, and then yung pangatlong supplier is 230. So yung i-base nyo muna na supplier rate is 230 para sa product costing ninyo. Now, let's talk about how you can monitor or how you can list down your suppliers through digital. I'm using the Loiver's advanced feature, guys, in putting my suppliers information. Loiver's advanced features about putting aside the name or the information of my supplier. I can immediately put in the rates, the price of their products na binebenta, or ilang quantity yung orderin ko. So, yung advanced feature ni Loiver's is very helpful in doing that type of management. Especially, nagre-restock ako ng aking mga binebenta online. Now that you have already set up the information of your supplier, you already have the rates of your supplier, you already know the cost of your product, let's move on to which platform are you selling your product. In terms of choosing the platform where you will be selling is, let me share to you na yung ginagamit ko for now na tinetesting is si TikTok Shop. Bakit? Kasi si TikTok Shop, yung gusto ko sa kanya is that you can create videos in terms of marketing your product. Actually, no, before pa, I really had a struggle when it terms of marketing my product because si Shopee doesn't have that type of feature na you can add a video and show it to your prospective buyers kung gaano kaganda yung product nyo, unless if you will be uploading it one by one. But it's not the typical thing na hinahanap ko, and TikTok is now here. TikTok is something that I have really been looking for 2 years, 3 years, 5 years ago pa, kasi I'm really into video marketing, into video editing, into showing my product with the use of video. So, ako talaga is, I use the video as a creative way on how you can introduce your product. And TikTok is one of the best feature that I could see na workable for me when it comes to marketing my product. Now, second platform na ginagamit ko is si Facebook Marketplace, and I have already shared that in my previous video kung bakit si Facebook Marketplace yung ginamit ko. It's because of the product fulfillment, kasi nga si Facebook Marketplace wala siyang system na kagaya ni TikTok na if si user ay nag-order sa inyong shop, is merong rider na pupunta dito to pick up the item. Si Facebook kasi iba, you have to do it manually. But I still have the target market on that platform kasi malapit siya. Yung area kasi, yung location na sinat up ko is within Cebu City. So, targetable siya for me. And then, third platform na ginamit ko, it's Shopee. But now I'm not very active with Shopee kasi baka ma-mismanage ko yung inventory. So, that's one of the important thing na meron akong point of system kasi kahit na nakabenta ako ni TikTok, hindi naman ibig sabihin na kapag nakabenta ako ni Facebook Marketplace is mag-update din si TikTok na inventory. Hindi yung magiging ganon. But, I'm using the point of sale system para ma-monitor ko yung inventory, and that's how you will get a benefit if you will be using a point of system, especially with Loivers. Now, there's a lot of point of sale system app na talagang available, but for me, na talagang gumagamit ni Loivers, I've been satisfied with how their system work, and then user-friendly, data-driven. So, if you wanted to learn more about that, I have a separate video so you can watch it there. And then, third is how you are going to market your product. In terms of marketing, na-mention ko kanina, talagang I'm into video editing. I'm into a creative way of showing my products through video, and that's where I'm really good at. So, if you're someone na hindi rin ganun ka magandang gumawa, mag-edit, so I think that for me, you have to start working with how you can edit your video. If you wanted to start with something, I would really suggest na si TikTok. So if you're a fan of dancing, if you're fun with playing around with your music, video, if I know if you happen to have that before when nag-lockdown tayo and you had so much fun in doing that. So, if ever man lang na damit yung binabenta ninyo, you can play around with just filming yourself na sinuot niyo yung damit nyo, masayaw kayo, as long as you're showing product to the video or to the audience. Now, I'm not saying that it will be perfect right away on the first film nyo lang. It's not gonna how it works, guys. So, I'm suggesting na you have to do it slowly, one step at a time. Try to post one time, try to post second time. And the good thing about working with TikTok or having that video marketing is that you can repurpose sa inyong Facebook. So meaning, pag nag-upload kayo ng video sa TikTok, pwede nyo naman siyang i-save as a copy, re-upload nyo sa inyong Facebook page, if meron kayong Facebook page, or re-upload it to your My Day para makakita din yung mga friends ninyo. Aside from that is you can also upload it in your Reels. Reels in Facebook, guys, is one of the tool that I'm also using to market our product, and it's really very helpful. Now, the advance of that is if ever man na dumating sa punto na ma-monetize kayo, it's one of the advantage na magiging passive income mo siya in the future kasi as long as nandyan siya sa platform na upload mo siya, every now and then, as long as you know how to put the hashtags, the targetable hashtags, magiging ongoing marketing mo siya, and every now and then kapag may nag-search ng, let's say for example, yung sa akin na satin sleepwear na pajama is magiging ongoing siya na magpa-pop sa mga user na nagsa-search kasi it's in there. Hindi siya mawawala sa Facebook. Nandyan siya, naka-upload talaga siya. And if you notice, guys, na yung mga back 2020 na videos, 2021 na videos, palaging nagpa-pop up siya sa inyong Facebook device because it's there. It's a passive way for you to market the product, and as well as it's a passive way in the future to get income. Now, Lazada, guys, for me is the least that I recommend in using the platform to sell your product. I'm not really into Lazada. I've never used Lazada in my whole life to sell the product. Not because I have a bad experience with them, but overcrowded na ako if I'm using multiple platform to sell my products. I'm good with TikTok for now and also with my Facebook. So, yung dalawang yun yung fino-focus ko in terms of marketing my product. Now, that's it for now. That's how I'm suggesting yun how you can start selling your product. Now, if you feel na meron kayong new idea na nakuha, or if you think na very useful yung video natin, click nyo naman yung like para ma-boost pa ni YouTube yung ating channel at maka-reach pa siya ng mga small business owner na nangangailangan ng ganitong mga tip. If you have any friends, family na nangangailangan ng ganitong klaseng video, share nyo naman sa kanila ang link. And don't forget to subscribe to get more updates of my upcoming videos. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in our next video, guys. Bye!